Are those all your realtor rapist files?
Please, do not call him that. Yes, I asked Lou to drop them off so that I could be ready for my meeting with Dr. Sanford.
The victim's advocate?
Mm-hmm. Going to trial, testifying in court, it could be overwhelming, so she's gonna help all of them get through it. Okay.
Oh, that must be her. Can I get the door?
Oh, I'm fine. I still got one good arm. Oh, Dr. Sanford, Athena Grant, come in.
Thank you. And it's Kara, please. Although I'm sure my mom would want you to keep the doctor part. It is so good to meet you, Sergeant Grant.
Oh, Athena, please, come in. Pardon our dust. While I was out, my home turned into one of those cable remodeling shows. Surprise, it's still not done.
Oh, it's a lovely home.
Well, I set us up in here.
You have the case files for the other victims.
Oh, yes, I'm sure you have specific questions, but I thought it would be easier to just go through all of them.
Great. So, where do you want to start?
Now, it'll be harder on Alexis because she's still struggling with admitting that it even happened.
Oh, it's not uncommon for victims to distance themselves from the crime.
Yeah, now, Michelle, I think she'll be great on the stand, but she is the one that I worry about the most.
Why is that?
All of her statements are peppered with, I should have known. I should have realized.
She blames herself. Thinks if she had done something differently, maybe it wouldn't have happened.
Yeah, right.
I can't help but notice that there's a file missing from this table.
His attack on me was nothing like what he did to these other women. Now, your priority should be them.
I don't think it's fair to compare traumas. And from what I read, his attack on you was pretty brutal.
Well, it happened pretty fast, and I don't remember most of it. Everyone says I'm lucky that I don't.
They're wrong. Yes, sometimes the brain's way of protecting us is to block out painful memories. But I've been doing this a long time, and I have never had anyone feel better because they didn't know what happened to them.
You were never here to talk about these other women, were you?
I'm here for you.
Well, I'm not ready.
I'll leave this here for when you are.